19 chickens. 6 in here. 3 over here. And 10 in there. Baby's first day out in their new coop. They're figuring it out. No fighting back there. I see you two. Big boys. 10-week-olds. And the big girls. This is the omelet igloo cube. This coop is from Tractor Supply. And the outer run that the boys are in is from Amazon. It's 19 by 10. I'll link it below so you guys can see the big run on the outside. It comes with the white tarp, this one, and that one is just a tarp we got from Amazon. I'll link that one as well. So everybody is doing fine. They have clean coops. Gotta get these boys somewhere to roost because tonight they're just gonna sleep on top, but I gotta get them somewhere to roost in the back. But hopefully everyone will live happily together. Eventually, when these guys get bigger, we'll put the roosters, let the roosters stay in with them, some of them, and put one rooster over with the girls. But we'll figure it out. Depends on how many roosters are. The little ones, how many they are. Little ones, roosters we get out of the little ones. We'll figure out the housing arrangement at the end of the summer. So, hope you enjoy our chickens.